Alright, so what I'm about to share is like a very simple way that you can at least plan or arrange the year 2025 in front of you. Uh, well, earlier this week, I drifted off a little bit out of the whole lock-in grind, spent a couple of hours, binge watching Prison Break and seeing the top-notch delivery on how Michael Scofield planned out the whole process uh, was very much amazing as somebody who likes strategic planning and all of those kind of things. I learned a couple of things, but that's not really the meat of it. What I'm about to share is now okay. Um, on Netflix, I scrolled through the movie and I saw, oh, this movie has episodes and various seasons. And let's say for each season, you have a title for each episode. You have a short bio or description of what's about or what's going to happen. And most likely, it encompasses the main story that that particular episode um, carries or shares. So now here's the thing: life in general is most likely like a movie also. So very well. If you understand this, then you understand certain times and seasons, time frames. That's why you have months, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. You have day and night. You have months, weeks, days. So very well. One thing you can do is maybe pick up about there's 12 months in the year. You can pick maybe few months of the year if you are not going to be able to keep up consistently to that and draft out for yourself episodes or series of how you want your play to be. You get because the truth of the matter is if you don't draft out what you want your life to be like and work towards it, you most likely settle for anything you get. You understand? So now very well. If you are able to like draft out these episodes and have it be that oh for every month or for every quarter for every period you have um, a set of definitive things, tasks, goals that you want to get done. Very well, you are not there yet. Yes, you may want to do something in August, September. You are not in September yet, but if you don't, plan it out that by then something that you will do, and most likely by then something that you won't do, and you will end up the year um, having that as something that's undone. You get so very much. Oh, in this month I want to do this. I want to do that. And you structure out. Oh, for your weeks for your months. These are the activities that will take up your time, that you will devote certain time into for certain reasons. Well, this is just a little 2 cents I'm sharing to help persons who are looking to get better and get better at their grind to learn from and apply in various areas of their life to just, just to grow. So if you want to get more of this, you can turn on the subscribe button, like, engage, share, and actually practice this if it works for you, and just give it a try.